So another devlog. I've tested the RC candidate for a little patch because our new hint system involves more solver code in the runtime, and so on some headsets we got a little bit of a bug in terms of like a frame hitch. So now all the solver code's threaded. It's not threaded by default because threading is slower than not threading usually, especially when things are very heavily cache optimized, which they are, and for like the tooling and the stuff that doesn't run on a VR headset, just locking everything up and 100% sort of twacking the process is the way to go. Other things that have been sort of taking today's time up, the PlayStation port work. So I can't talk too much about PlayStation stuff, but for those of you familiar with graphics programming, you know how Vulkan slots and sets work for shaders. And basically we have to take it from Godot shaders to SpirV, and then we've got to do a cross compile and then a fix up step to take it into PlayStation shading language. And we're having some issues in regards to stage and slot alignment because SpirV cross flattens things out. And so I'm having to add some more mapping in there and do plumbing work. Again, that's one of the things I can't talk in any super deep detail about because of, proprietary PlayStation stuff. But spoke to a friend, she helped me out and gave me a bit of a sort of kick in the head of, oh, this is where I should be looking. So that's unblocked. It's sort of on the cooker. It's a lot of balls to juggle, and I'm trying to get the tutorial stuff in. Honestly, today was meant to be focused on the tutorial, but between the release candidate and the PlayStation work, I got a little bit distracted. So I'm going to try 100% focus on the tutorial for the demo build for the rest of the day. I've also confirmed my talk for GodotCon. So I'll be doing GodotCon Amsterdam. I've booked my flights and a hotel for that now. Honestly, we had taken it out of our calendar because we submitted back in start of February, I think, and we just hadn't heard anything back, and it's only like 3 weeks to the event, so it's quite tight for us, and it's just after London Games Week. But I figured I should honor that thing and do that talk and go through, and it should be good, hopefully. I'm hoping it's a bit more professional than previous GodotCon I went to, so let's see how that turns out. I'll let you know when we hit that, but that's in the future. Overall, just juggling a lot of things in the air right now. So I should get back to that tutorial stuff. But yeah, there should be a patch out tomorrow, all assuming things go right, just for that frame rate thing.